All the customers gonna be seeing you messing up, seeing you in the emails. Go like, oh, this is when should I do the bold post in the email? All right, cool. You get it? You ready for it? All right, let's do the business. This from time to time. I'm not taking a picture, I'm actually making a video. Say hi to the crowd. We're working. And we have Miss Hilton here, I think. We make a video, yeah, make a video. Alright. You actually need some packages in your video.
Guys, January 24th.
To 31st. Anything that comes in between the 24th and the 31st, ship on the 31st. Free. Unlimited free shipping, Platinum Day.
Alright,
Buy all the good things, them.
24th and the 31st. Ships on the 31st for free. Platinum Day.
On Platinum Day.
Alright,
Yeah.
alright.
24th is Wednesday.
Right.
Yeah.
Roll.
The whole time, we never stop roll.
Guys, you don't know it's me, Akilia.
Again.
Again.
Part owner of the company.
Alright, so you have Uno. So you said this January 24th to the 31st. But stop it
Already.
Alright, people, exciting news. Exciting. This January the 24th to the 31st. Run over.
Yeah. No, it's not going down now.
I prime day, me never saw.
Go on, go make it go on good, man. Go on, go make it go on good. Go give support, man. Go on, go make it go on good. Yeah, man. Go on, go make it go on good. Support. My amigo.
People. Here one. This January 24th to the 31st. Platinum Day. So guess what? Here, any package shipped between the 24th, as long as we send it out from the everything free. Free the second way. So line up the package, ship and add up.